Animations, bring your website to life with smooth motion effects. Let's see the preview. See those moving text, it makes your website feel more engaging and polished. To change the animation, click Animate in the top toolbar and choose a style. From here you can choose to animate an element or a group. Choose the element if you're only animating a single name. These names are grouped, so we can apply a single animation to them all at once. Since they're grouped, you'll see all the elements move together at the same time. With a Pro account, you can adjust the animation speed, intensity, and direction. On a free account, the animation will stay as it is in the template. Use Preview to see how the animation looks. For wedding websites, subtle is best. Slow fades or gentle rises create an elegant, romantic feel, while strong or fast effects can look distracting. Click Order controls when animations play, either all at once, or one after another. This is especially useful when you're animating text, names, or grouped elements. This is where you control the order in which each element or group animates first. Now let's try to animate an image. Animating an image works the same way as animating text. Simply select it, click Animate, and choose your style. And there you have it. Animations made simple. Go ahead, try it. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and supporting my joyful art.